It is possible to customize toolbars in the gCADPlus environment. I have an example here where I've added a whole series of links to a custom toolbar. So this toolbar is set up for managing the creation and management of plant schedules. So this first icon I've set to click on that, and I can attach a plant database or GCP file. Then I can remove it. Now I can edit the list if I want. So a quick way to edit the list, just click on the toolbar and there we are. We can manipulate that plant database. Then I can set data to a plant. If I make an error, I can remove it. I can view the resultant plant list, draw the schedule and show symbols with names and so on. So what I've done is populate this toolbar with tools that I want to use when I'm generating a plant schedule. So I could say draw the plant schedule, come down here, my text height set at 150, I'll accept that, and I'll set a corner point, come down here and say draw the schedule for me, and it does just that. It's by no means finished, but I'm sure you get the drift. The way to set up custom toolbars of your own is to go to View, Toolbars, and on the right hand side we have a link to any particular toolbar. So I could say I'm going to modify the custom toolbar. I could grab all of those and shoot them across and create a new one. But I can save them and manipulate them. It's very useful to be able to load a toolbar that you've worked with. For example, here's one I've called My Tools. I'll open it. Whoops, sorry. We need to go to Custom Toolbar, then load it, and we'll say My Tools, and there we are. Now, this toolbar here gives me all the tools I like to work with: match properties, fillet, PDF, go to quick pops up. It just saves me going to drop-down menus or other toolbars. I do most of my work with polylines and so on. So that's another custom toolbar. Let's have a further look at it. View, Toolbars, and if I say load, you see I've got mixed custom, the gCADPlus basic toolbar. I'll open that one and OK that, and here's another one with a different group of tools in it. And if you need to reset things, it's just View, Workspace, Toolbars, and just click Default and OK that. Now we go back to just the standard calculator on the custom toolbar. So any toolbar can be adjusted in the gCADPlus environment, and it can be quite helpful to, once you become confident with gCADPlus, you can speed up your drafting in that way. This was a design for looking after someone who was wheelchair bound, and we take one of the symbols which shows the space required for someone in a wheelchair to be able to move around in a raised area here, and with an interesting range of Australian native plants able to be viewed and touched from a viewing platform, and the move around like so. I can be certain that every part of the walkway to reach that viewing area is able to be accessed with ease.